Mangitan yung tabi.
Go!
Gabi ka rin ba ang dalan ba?
Hi guys, this time we're going to Beauty at Cagayan, Balay City. So I'm very excited to show you to see the beautiful nature.
Wala, gini magigamit yung 260.
Ay, oo.
You know guys, we have to pass by the river or Sapa to the Beauty. This is the most popular tourist destination in Cagayan, Balay City.
Okay, left side. Dili ka?
Left.
Ay, dili ka. Ang tapa kay right.
So this time it takes 2 minutes to travel.
So bumpy.
Wala. Ay, dili.
This time we're here guys, excited.
Ay, dili ito
Ma'am.
dito. Dahil mo akong gitanaw diri man di ay. Di na kayo. Diri oh. Diri mo gud akong gitanaw oh. Diri man gud tulas.
So this is it guys, we pass by in the river or Sapa in Bisaya.
Oh, kuya kay din.
Agad pa yung day?
Balabag.
But not it guys, I think hanggang pagdakol ka masa na guys.
La, sapa, no? Ayun na sapa.
Hindi naman siya malalim guys.
Baklay pa yung sapa.
Hold.
Through the guys, and the cement they are under construction.
Nakamata ka, bibi?
Hold.
So, kung
It's a rough road guys.
Kanahan yung split yan eh.
Sige, mahina ito ma.
Aw, dili ba? Si Iliang ngayon.
So bumpy.
Kawiri lang dito ka, pwede mahina, dito ka saka dito. Okay, kung biya kayo, lapok, ay ka nang maligyas ang ligil.
Okay.
Oh, mas malisod ta ito, mas takta dito.
Pero nakaagi mi dito ko dun taas-taas pagyapon ng tubig, hadlok ng yapon, hadlok ay.
This time guys, we're now here at Beauty, so we have to park. Then hi guys, good afternoon. We're now here at Beauty. And guys, so guys, let's go. Itour ko kayo sa Beauty. Guys, papunta pa lang. Ma-amaze na kayo at super excited.
Oh, wow!
Guys, we're here at the top. Let's see the view. At dito naman guys, mayroon silang canteen at CR sa mahilig mag-overnight with friends and family. So we have to walk to reach the first cottage of Beauty. It is nice here because you can see the beauty of nature. Fresh air and it's surrounded by mountains,
Lang tayo ng 50 pesos.
flowers and trees and
Entrance
farm.
fee.
Because mostly here guys are farming.
Tingnan niyo. Wow, ang ganda. Kayo guys, kung mili kayong
For those nature lovers and love to get together with friends like overnight, where you can see the sunset and sunrise.
dito sa inyo guys.
You know guys, the road here are rough, so you have to be careful
ang
to
dalan.
walk.
Tugnaw ka diri gabi iba. Isa kuan. View di Hmm?
So this is it guys, the first cottage.
Wow. Nice siya.
Right here you can relax, the refreshing air is surrounded. The beauty of mountains and ridge.
Ito malay-balay ito sa nanay.
So cold right here guys.
Kanay na diha. Oh. Kanay balay?
Yaya niya kay bukid. Paabang mag-Airbnb lang kapag.
Hindi ko sa tagaan na agion pa kay.
Lugatin mo yung no? Ayaw, igawa sa akin. Mahulog na ang phone. Di na lang makuha itong phone.
Let's go to second cottage.
Time check is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So ito yung view nila guys. Yan naman yun guys. Oh. Ito yung second week nila guys. So magpaganda dito guys. Oh, look up.
Look at the panoramic view guys.
Ano pa? Mapo kayo. Bugno kay diri kadlawon.
Right here guys, you will enjoy the beauty of nature.
Kutsara kay diri kay kanang taal layo kang panglantaw ba. Kuan gusto ng bukid dili. Nice kay siya view. Wala tubig diri.
Reminders guys, if you're planning for your camping, bring your own water and food. So guys, it's time to go.
Welcome to View. So, let's go to Big Rock, guys. Big Rock na naman tayo, guys. Punta natin yung Big Rock, guys. So, this time, guys, we'll go to Big Rock. Dito lang yan, pa din sa Kanayan, guys. So, ito ko kayo dito sa Kanayan. Napakaganda dito kasi nga place, guys, kasi napakaganda ng view, maraming bukirin nga napakaganda. So bangilit kasing dalan dito guys, kaya nahira dahan-dahan ako lumakad, baka madapa ako. So ayan guys. Pwede na mag-jogging dito guys.
Good job.
Let's go to Big Rock.
Asa man ito may nilay?
Wala, dito.
Tayo sa Big Rock.
Ito na guys. The Big Rock is surrounded with trees and mountains. So peaceful here and cold fresh air.
Ito yung kibalabag.
Sukay ko po.
Paubos.
Last time still kay diliin niya.
Ikaw sa yung action cam. Day.
So next, let's go to Mini Zoo. Excited kami guys kasi meron kami dalawang kids na dala. So let's see.
Sige mo po nakita sa plano ko din.
Look at the road guys. It's under construction.
Masyado galing na okay gamit kay siya sa pain.
So this time guys, 4:30 in the afternoon, we pass by the river again. Let's see.
Oo, ni Daka, itaas ng tubig.
The rivers guys was deep, I think it's above the day. Yes, we survived to pass through the rivers.
Tanan nimo lang.
Stop na. Stop na kita tayo.
Why can't you why can't you why?
Nakita na pa. Tulog ka.
Malaysia
Good job kuya.
sa katu.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.